In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a warm call transfer from a GoHighLevel tutorial. A warm transfer lets you speak with a teammate before connecting a caller, so the handoff feels smooth and professional. To make that possible in GoHighLevel, we first need to enable the in-app phone. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few helpful tips along the way, so everything works reliably once you're on a live call. Start inside your GoHighLevel workspace and head to Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find settings in the left sidebar or near the lower portion of the navigation menu. Make sure you're in the correct location if you manage multiple locations, because phone settings apply at the location level. If you don't see settings or can't open it, you may need an admin to grant the right permissions. Inside Settings, choose Phone System. This is where telephony features are configured. If Phone System isn't visible, your account might not have telephony enabled, or your role may not have access. In that case, check with your account admin. It's also a good idea to confirm your phone numbers and users are set up in advance, since those are what the in-app dialer will use for placing and receiving calls. Next, look toward the top right corner of the phone system area for a green phone icon. This icon opens the in-app softphone controls. Click the green phone icon. If nothing happens, try a quick page refresh and make sure your browser allows pop-ups for this site. A stable internet connection helps here too. You'll see an option to enable. Click Enable to turn on the in-app phone. After enabling, GoHighLevel may ask for permission to access your microphone. That prompt is expected because the browser dialer needs audio access to function. Once enabled, the soft phone appears inside the app, and during calls you'll see options that support warm transfers, so you can consult with a teammate first and then connect the caller seamlessly. A couple of quick tips before you go live. Use a quality headset to reduce background noise and echo, and keep your browser updated for the best call stability. If the green icon doesn't appear, verify your user is assigned to a number and that any browser extensions or strict privacy settings aren't blocking the dialer. That's it. You went to Settings, opened Phone System, clicked the green phone icon, and selected Enable. With the in-app phone active, your account is ready to support warm call transfers, giving your callers a smoother, more personal experience.